David was a man close to the heart of God. He was appointed as the king in place of Saul, who disobeyed the command of the Lord. The Lord gave David victory in all his battle because he was obedient to him. But once during the spring, the time when the king usually go to war, David sent out his officers for battle and he himself stayed in Jerusalem. In the late afternoon, he saw a woman having bath. Lust entered into him, and he ordered the soldier to bring that woman, who was the wife of Uriah, and he had illegal relation with her. Having found that Uriah's wife became pregnant through him, he decided to send his husband Uriah home so that he can cover his own sin. But Uriah refused, and so David plotted to kill Uriah, and so he sent him into that portion of the battle where there was every chance of him getting killed. David took Bathsheba, Uriah's wife, as her own wife, but the Lord was not pleased with what David had done. God sent prophet Nathan to David with a message that because of his sin, now in every generation, some of his descendants will be killed violently, and that his wives will suffer because of his sin. David repented for all the sins that he had committed, and the Lord forgave him. But he had to face the consequences of his sin. The son that Bathsheba gave birth fell ill, and David kept fast for him, so that the Lord will show mercy. But the son died. Tamar, the daughter of David, was raped by her own half brother Amnon. Absalom, the brother of Tamar, was very angry with Amnon because of the evil he had done to his sister. In fit of rage, he killed Amnon and fled. Joab, the soldier of David, arranged for Absalom's return, but after reconciling with David, he planned to rebel against him. David came to know about the plot of Absalom and his intention to become king and the danger of being killed. So David had to flee from his own palace and had to wander from place to place. Meanwhile, David sent his soldier to head a war against Absalom, but also he gave them a warning not to kill Absalom. However, in the battle, Absalom was killed. This was how David had to suffer for the sin he has committed against Bathsheba and the murder of Uriah.